Hey, good morning, and I will show you how to set up the Quizlet. You do not have to sign up or register for Quizlet, so please don't do that. All you have to do is go into the website and just click Create to start your list of words. So to begin within the URL, enter Quizlet.com. Now, do not log in, do not sign up. All you need to do is click Create. Okay, good morning everyone. I'll just begin by showing you how to set up Quizlet. You enter Quizlet.com to the URL, and from here you can sign up or click Create. Okay, so you just, for me, I'll continue with Google. Okay, anything else comes up, you can just close it, right? And here enter the title. So the title will be what you want to, can be advertising, and you can create a list, and of course this list will be words in the book, but also add your own vocabulary to this list, and then you have it already noted. If you keep adding to it every day any new words, then it becomes like a vocabulary notebook. Okay, so again I'll just put advertising, marketing, these words, okay, and here you can begin. So let's say the word is for example popular. So they will give you a list of words here to choose from. So just enter the spelling that you want. Now, the book here, they do give definitions. The first thing you gotta do is choose the language, which of course is English. Okay, so liked by many people, liked by most people. This definition is okay. But my advice is to check your book for the definition. So, in the book it says, well liked. Okay, so you can enter this one. I want you to enter only the book definition for these words. Okay, so then you click on image. You can choose any image you like. Okay, and there you have the first word, and then you continue to the next one. If you like, you can also add, I think this is a good idea, to add the part of speech. In fact, I'll ask you to add the part of speech, so that when you share this link to me, that I can actually check you've done all the parts. Okay, so let's scroll down. You continue adding all the words. When I think you will have more words than is here already, you just click Add Card. Okay, and when you come to right at the bottom, I don't know if you can see, but you will in your screen, there is a bottom on the right here, where the hand is, with Create. And you just create that. I don't have enough entered in my case, but you will have. You just click Create, and the study number will arrive. So I'll just enter a couple of other words. Oh, can't do that. Add card. Remove card. If you want to remove a card, you just click on the bin. How many do I have to have? Oh, I just need 2. So I'm gonna have to edit, I think. Here we go. I'll choose another word. Okay. And again, I will choose the meaning from the book. Okay. And then an image for that one. A section, a piece, or a part of. Oh, maybe this one. And this word is a 9. Okay, so hopefully this works now. Create. Okay, and so it's ready for you to go. Now, when you click create, you will also see this pop up. Okay, what you then do is you copy the link and just email it to me. Okay, and when you do that, please enter your name, because sometimes your emails don't have your name, they just have your ID number, and I don't know who it is. So you copy the link. Okay, you can also enter my email here. And just send it to me. So, email sent. Okay, so I should have it in my email. Then I will check it. I will check you have the words spelled correctly. You have the part of speech. You have the definition from the book. Okay, not the definition from Quizlet. And you have also got an image. Some words you will not be able to find an image, and that's okay. In that case, that is fine. Okay, so I don't know if you're going to get this finished today. Possibly we will finish it tomorrow and use it as an assignment for tomorrow. So just wait until class time, see how it goes, and we can plan from there. Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and I will show you how to enter Quizlet. And you start by going to the website, Quizlet.com. And here, just click create, or you can click sign up. I advise click create, it's the easiest way. And you will find you have this pop-up with all your details. So you can enter some details, or you, in my case, I just continue with Google. So this pop-up you don't need. So create a new study set. So we'll start with Unit 3. And the title can be Advertising and Marketing. Okay. Right, and then just scroll down using the bar on the right side. And to begin with, you need to choose the language. So the language will be English. And you are now ready to enter the term. So let's take a word. Oh, I put it on lowercase actually. Okay, popular. Now, this definition is okay, you can understand it, but many of the definitions are difficult. So please, I want you to enter the definition from the book. So in this case, this is one of the common words. The definition from the book is well-liked. Okay. And then you can click on an image. For example, this one. And the last thing is to add the part of speech, which you will see in the book also. Okay, so let's try another. Next word. This one is a noun. Definition in the book. Let's see. So a piece or a part. Okay. Now, when you want to add another card, because there's only 5 here, you just click Add Card, and it appears like this, and you add another word. If you want to remove one, you just do that. So I'm going to move these so I can create a study set to show you. Okay, now 2 words is too little. You should have about, I think, 10 from today anyway. So you just click Create, and you will see this pop up. And what you can do is you can enter my email. Now, that's one way. The other way, which I actually prefer, is that you just copy this link and then open my email address and send the email with your name on it. Because I think when you do it this way, I don't get your name, and it makes it difficult for me then to give you a grade. So please just copy the link, although this is another way, but copy the link by clicking copy, and then just open your PMU email. Okay, and you're gonna and then you just you all know how to send an email now. So make sure you put your name in the subject heading so that I know who it is who is sending it to me. Okay, so thanks for that, and I think that's everything I need to explain. Thanks now.